Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Light Leak effects for After Effects templates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Light Leak effects for After Effects into the search bar. Browse through the search results to find reputable websites offering these effects. Look for options that provide free downloads as well as premium ones for a wider selection. Choose a website that has positive reviews and a solid reputation. Once on the website, navigate to the Download section. Look for a specific category for Light Leak effects if available. Select the pack that appeals to you based on previews or descriptions. Click on the Download button associated with the chosen pack. If prompted, agree to any terms and conditions before proceeding. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the file in your Downloads folder. Extract the downloaded file if it is in a compressed format, such as .zip or .rar. Right-click on the file and select Extract All or use your extraction software. Choose a destination folder or leave it as is to extract to the default location. Open Adobe After Effects once the extraction is finished. Go to the folder where you extracted the Light Leak effects. Drag and drop the files into your After Effects project panel. Create a new composition if you haven't done so already. Select the Light Leak effect you want to use and drag it onto your timeline. Adjust the layer settings to fit your project's needs. You can change the blending mode for a better visual integration. Use keyframes to animate the Light Leak effect if desired. Fine-tune the duration and position until you achieve the desired look. Readjust the opacity if the effect is too strong for your project. Preview your composition to see how the Light Leak interacts with your footage. Make any final adjustments to ensure a seamless blend. Now you're ready to export your project with the Light Leak effects included. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.